Welcome to the Gyan Niketan Girls School. Myself Tanu Srivastava, and today we will see the solve exercise of simple movement of sprite, that is chapter 9. Fill in the blanks. When we start a new scratch project, it begins with the dash sprite, that is the cat sprite. The dash block allows the sprite to say something in a voice bubble, that is say block. The stop button is used. The stop button is placed on the dash right corner of the stage, that is the top right corner. The dash block allows the sprite to wait for the specified number of seconds, that is the wait block, under the control block. The dash block will play the specified sound, pausing the script until the sound has been finished playing, that is the play sound until done. Now we will see true false. You can make a sprite say something in a voice bubble. True. You cannot change the costume of the sprite with the help of costume tab. False. It should be true because we use the costume tab. We can change the appearance of the sprite using the costume tab. The sound block menu contains block to play sound in your scratch project. That is true. The stop button is of green color. False. Stop button is of red color. You can repeat the action of a sprite as many times as needed. True. Now match the following. As we know that all the blocks refers to the same color category. So in this question you can see play drum, it refers to the purple color, so it refers to the sound block. Repeat, that will be control block. Stamp block refers to the pen block. Turn, it is responsible for the movement of the sprite, so it goes to the motion block, because we know that motion block is responsible for the movement of the sprite, and change color effect refers to the looks block. Now, multiple choice question. That dash block controls the looks of a sprite. It is looks block. The script tab and the costume tab share the dash space. It is same space. The say block allows the sprite to say something in a voice bubble. To move a block of commands anywhere in the script area, click on the dash block of the script. It should be top block. Now answer in one word or sentence. Name the block that allows the sprite to change the costume. Looks block. Which block allows the sprite to say something for the specified number of seconds? Say block. Which option is used to choose the sprite's costume from the library? Costume tab. Costume tab and then sprite costume from library. Name the block that makes the sprite wait for some seconds. Can you find this block? That is the control block and the wait block. Name the block that is used to run the script again and again. Mention the block category where it is found. When click block under the event block category. When you will write question number 3 and 4, girls, you keep remember you have to use costume tab and costume from library. And for the 4 number, control block and the wait block. Now answer the following questions. Name any two blocks from the looks block menu in Scratch. The two blocks from the looks block menu in Scratch are say and the next costume. Question number 2. Name the options that are available for changing the costume of the sprite. There are 4 options for changing the costume of the sprite. Choose costume from library, paint, new costume, upload costume from file, and new costume from camera. Now question number 3. Briefly explain the use of forever block. The block held inside forever block will be in a loop that never ends unless the stop button is clicked. Which block should be used to play the sound of a sprite? The sound block is used to play the sound of the sprite. What is the purpose of using the when click button? The when click button is in the event block. The image of a flag shows how the block is connected with the actual green flag. The script that begins with this block will run once when the green flag has been clicked. Thank you.